Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Nick Jr. Go step by step clearly. To activate Nick Jr. Go, start by downloading the app on your device. Open the app once the installation is complete. You will be welcomed with a home screen displaying various options. Select the Activate button to begin the process. A new screen will prompt you to sign in with your TV provider. Choose your TV provider from the list provided. If your provider requires a username and password, enter your credentials now. Once logged in, an activation code will be displayed on your screen. Now, take note of this activation code for later use. Next, open a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Visit the activation website for Nick Jr. Go by entering the provided URL. You will see a field requesting your activation code. Enter the code you noted earlier into this field. Click on the Submit button to proceed. After a brief moment, you should see a confirmation message. Return to the Nick Jr. Go app on your device. You will now have access to all the content available through the app. Enjoy watching your favorite Nick Jr. shows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.